Brown wakawamu Gende kaimuno Uwatire jamane Gwetha wera mosara mwega Wona waseto Oke ogera na shama shito Toka kore tatora Ndiana gekena Leo miaka mege Nene virudi Oyo tariatea Hora de ashangene mwenge waganda guikeno shirkono webiki Shoka Watarirane wadinane washoka Kuma wadie dore watamamaroa Kanadimo gemanya kanane wakinire Dire aga wando dakoni bigana Dikomaga wando reria gogo esiria Jamani guata wera mosara muega Wana waseto uke ukere na shana shitu Toka kore totora niya nage kenon Elmia kamege nemetiru jaya tariya Tore wajira nakanane wakinira Watira tu wando wakwano
Thank you very much. Thank you. Andugini marake na muno ndero ngwire atiriri. Andugini nyine maroria kana no meke collab nawe.
Mundu kwenda collab noke. Ati collab nake.
Na wajira winagira mundu agikwenda agigukora ha.
Ni sana ni ninagira pande cia Ojei. Ojei ni na gukumemble. Kunigorogo gina country music muthenya wa Thursday na rumba muthenya wa Tuesday na weekend ni gogerigithia mugithi.
Yes. Ku Ojei.
Yes.
Kwa jatha cigana kinya tha cigana.
Tuge kwambiriria kindu hau tha igire-ine guthio uguo mpaka che. Tukwa kitu tukirigithia mugithi na bado ni nyina mohiki na functions. Because they limited.
Asante ndiro tuhe namba yaku ya thimu nigetha mundu ngendaga gwitira handu ngithie kuinari tondu wira itu mwe ni wa gupromote inywe aini namba yaku ya thimu na ihenya tondu mathaa turathi kuria igoti rira Supreme na tutiro tungika ni maria mekoraga.
Sawa, namba yaku ya thimu mwiroreri ni 0720861334 861334. Yes, iyo ni namba yaku ya thimu ugiko wina event ugienda gogi kuinira.
Yes.
Ona gikoreda pure country na ugine pure country ugeda rumba na ugukwinea rumba wenda mugithi niko ndani.
Asante sana. Madama itu mathiri no ndigiraga kugeithio ni mundu gitwa Mainajimi. Mainajimi gocia microphone yaku iyo niko hana atia?
Ni kwega muno njoroge.
Yes. Na ndakira muno ndo awitikira guka. Madama itu ni mathiite muno nona kwina igongona ria kwihitithio kwa munene wa borithi. Rathi na mbere kuria igo na tuko tugitwara mirori na njira imwe kwa imwe. Kundakira muno ndira andu aria kumetagwo atia nigetha turikie tondu matiota kwari matire na microphone.
Mundu wa etagwo Ken. Yes. Ahuraga keyboard nake mundu wa drums yetagwo Kamisto Koida kutoka kule Kisumu.
Asante sana ni ndu wa gwitikira guka. Madama itu ni ndu uria mathite mutikaigwe uru ni ndu twamutine no turimwita ringi muke murikiria andu mugithi ndu mekwenda kuga mugithi wanyu no ndenda kuya mwiroreri wa Inooro TV gutware nginya kule igoti-ini ria Supreme kuria kuna igongona ria kwihitithia munene wa borithi Japeth Koome na riu rigutwaritũngũrio ni munene ni mucirithania munene Martha Koome no ndenda tabatikiria hanini tugicoka tugutwara kule igoti-ini ria Supreme na thengi muno ni ndu wawe watwarana ithe andu ya kama gwaka ngethe na kimia giothe. Thank you very much for good to support hidden at Tafara Inooro cine tojoroga wa githinyi ni gucokereria na mohoro maitu nginya matha ithatu baadaye ina hanini nigetha tukiate Musa
ithano ithu tuhana Optiven ni tura develop mukawa munene muno wa family twina area ya borithi twina provision ya playground ya ciana citu tuhorere thimu otha icigo ku Optiven 0790 300.
The World Cup fever is here with us. Nani atabeba kikombe? Will it be defending champions France, host country Qatar, five-time winners Brazil, Lionel Messi's Argentina, ama will it finally go home to England? We already have the games on shabiki.com. Weka prediction yako sahi when the odds are still high on who you think will win the World Cup. Ushinde chapa. Mapema ndio best. Strictly not for persons under the age of 18. Betting can be addictive. Play responsibly. Shabiki.com is authorized and regulated by the BCLB. License number 416. Shabiki.com.
Njitago Paul Waiganjo. Rubrico Homes nitukinyete Nyandarua County Nyahururu gwa Kongo. Kuria turakwenderia plot cia muigana wa 8 aneka na thogora wa 195 na deposit ni 50,000 only, balance ukariha na mieri 6. Oho no turi na cia 150 na deposit ukaiga 50,000, balance ukariha na mieri 6. Kwa uhoro makiria tucerere Jewel Complex kana utuhurire thimo number 0721077077. Brico Homes Limited, a touch of fulfillment.
Kabuni ya Roiro Mabati Factory nemo ya thondeki njuru a mabati ma kugita nyumba. Tuthondekaga mabati mithemba miingi na magikiro kia iguru maria maturaga ihinda iraihu na magathakaria mugitire wa nyumba yaku makiria. Mabati maya metagwo box profile, Europe tile, Jenga tile, corrugated S profile na mangĩ maingĩ na mokaga na marangi maingĩ ngũrani. Mabati maitũ nĩ metiragia mbura nene na riũa rĩhiũ na koguo makagĩrĩra nyũmba cia biacara na cia gũikarwo. Nĩguo gwetia oda yaku tucerere showroom-inĩ itũ mwena wa Ruiru town na no tucerere rũrenda-inĩ rwitũ nĩruo www.ruiromabati.co.ke kana ũkenerere ũtungata wa kũreherwo mabati maku harĩa ũrĩ gwa kahinda ka mathaa 72 tu. Roiro Mabati Factory, mali safi kwa bei poa.
Nishesheni ya Inoro TV.
I, Japhet Komen Chebere, having been appointed the Inspector General of Police, do swear that I will be faithful and bear true allegiance to the Constitution and the President of Kenya during my service in the National Police Service, without favor or affection, malice or ill will, that will at all times do my utmost to preserve the peace and to prevent offenses against the peace. That while I shall continue to hold the said office to the best of my skill and knowledge, discharge all the duties thereof faithfully according to the law, I will subject myself to the Constitution, all acts, orders, regulations, now or in future relating to my service in the National Police Service, and that I will discharge all the duties of a police officer according to the law, without fear, favor, affection, or ill will. So help me God. I, Japhet Komen Chebere, do hereby swear by the Almighty God that I will not, without due authority, disclose or make known to any person any information acquired by me by reason of this of the duties performed by me on behalf or under the direction of the National Police Service, or by reason of any office or employment held by me pursuant to the National Police Service Act, so help me God.
Thank you very much. I wish to congratulate the new Inspector General of the National Police Service. This brings us to the end of the brief swearing-in ceremony, but before we close, I wish to request the Inspector General of Police to come and make brief remarks. Inspector General, please. Yeah, the chair will come. Yeah. Come, please.
The President of the Supreme Court, Honorable Chief Justice of our beautiful country, Kenya, the Chairperson, National Police Service Commission, Bwana Eliud Kenovia, the Chairperson, Independent Police Oversight Authority, Madam Anne Makori, the commissioners, both from the Police Commission and the IPOA, the service commanders, the CEO, the staff of CEO, National Police Service Commission, members of staff of judiciary, fellow police officers, friends from the media, ladies and gentlemen, I wish to start by thanking God, the Almighty God, for giving me the opportunity to appear before the Honorable Chief Justice and, of course, before Kenyans to take this very important oath. Secondly, thank His Excellency the President, Dr. William Samoei Ruto, CGH, who is also the Commander-in-Chief of the Defense Forces. Thank him most sincerely for finding me fit again to serve our country. Also thank the legislature, the Parliament, for approving my nomination. Honorable Chief Justice, I can imagine the responsibilities given to me by our people. I promise I'll do my best. I will not let this country down. However, I think it's worth mentioning, once in a while, I look at the social media when I want to maybe to follow on gossip going on. Once in a while, I look at the social media. Last night, I know there was a talk that I could discuss in the social media that Koome will be sworn in by Koome. A lot of issues, very interesting discussion. That CJ, is about a wife and husband, is about a brother and a sister. Anyway, I think those are good wishes. That is not the case. I have no blunt relationship with the CJ. It's only that she's married to one Koome Kiragu, and I'm Koome Nchebere. So I thought, Honorable CJ, I make that clear to our fellow Kenyans. Because they're asking now the CJ and the Inspector General, brother and sister, is not the case. But CJ, Honorable CJ, she's a good role model. She's a good example to many of us. And Honorable CJ, we appreciate the efforts you are putting in terms of providing guidance to the whole criminal justice system. I don't intend to make a long speech. I know as Honorable Chief Justice another function immediately after this. Lakini ni kuambia Wakenya wenzangu, tuko na inchi ambayo ni inchi nzuri. Most of us have quite a number of us here have traveled worldwide. I cannot imagine of any other country as beautiful as Kenya, where if you want to enjoy yourself on a beach, 45 minutes in Mombasa, you want a cold place, another 40 minutes, you are up Mount Kenya, where I've been serving as a commandant, National Police College, Kiganjo. You want a desert, fly over Charibe Desert. Take off from Lodwar, fly over Loyangarani, land in Marsabit. I've done it twice. The country is beautiful. Our people are warm. Kenyans generally are good people. I've been to some countries where, I will not mention which countries, where people even, the smile is fake. The food is fake. But Kenyans, when a Kenyan smiles at you, it is from the heart. I recall when we had a big challenge with the corona, we were told not even to shake. But a Kenyans will not listen, hear that, none of that. Will not listen, hear that. Mkenya anataka kusalimia wewe mkikutana mpaka kusalimu kwa mkono. Because our people are warm. We have a beautiful country. All of us, we have a responsibility to ensure we hold this country together. I wish to state na kusema ya kwamba tuko na maofficers wa polisi who are very professional. 98% we have no issues with them. Maybe just 2%. And we are really being assisted by the commission, the IPOA, other oversight bodies. Again, we have the critical mass within the police to manage the 2%. But we are very professional police service. Kwa hivyo hawa kora wako kule nje wanafikiria watatishia maisha ya wananchi. That will not happen. Mkora ambaye anafikiria atatembea na kisu huko nje, anandunga mwananchi na kisu kwa kisu. Mkora ako na bunduki, utafanya mwananchi mtukufu aumie. That will not happen. I'm from the college, that's why I've been the commandant. And I will tell you, our officers are very clear to when they are allowed to use a firearm. And it is in law, under the Police Act. 5 instances. When any police officer, his life is in danger, or any other person, the life is in danger, a police officer is justified to use a firearm. When protecting life or property, if there is imminent danger or threat, a police officer can use a firearm. If it is in self-defense or defense of another life, because of imminent threat from, to life or serious injury, a police officer can use a firearm. Anybody who is charged of having committed a felony, a serious offense, murder, rape, manslaughter, imprisonment for over where the law provides imprisonment over 3 years, that person attempts to escape, a police officer can use a firearm. Again, the last one, the 5th one. If a police officer has arrested somebody charged for having committed a felony, then you attempt rescuing that person. You attempt, the law says, a police officer can use a firearm. Therefore, the officers are aware. And any police officer who uses ace or a firearm under those circumstances, we are there to protect that officer. Kwa hivyo tunaambia wakora, uko kule kwa estate, unasumbua wananchi kwa kudunga au visu, kupiga watu risasi, it will not happen under my watch. I will have slept on the job. Wale kule wanaiba ng'ombe, actually it is livestock rustling. It is not cattle rustling. A lot of property destroyed, wananchi wanakufa, maofisa wanakufa. Our strategy now is to target the lawns. We are calling them livestock lawns. And we shall engage Parliament so that such people, they are dealt with for committing a terrorist act. The President has pronounced himself on this.